So I intended to film this in front of my desk, but that's just not happening anytime soon. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review of this pretty epic desk chair. I have been trying to get my room ready to put this chair in. Hasn't happened, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you about the chair. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. First things first, it has really nice wheels. It rolls on the carpet, it rolls on the hard floor in the garage. Really, really nice wheels. I love that. It's got, you can see how many wheels are on the bottom of it. It did need to be assembled when it got here. It took Jamie about 10-15 minutes to put together. Super easy to assemble. This here, look at this. This is a very comfortable seat. We've had it sitting in our garage, and when we've been out there sitting talking with people, we keep using it, and it's actually really comfortable. Not only is the seat padded and squishy, it has squishy arms as well. That's really nice. So straight from these nice squishy arms, see that? Do you know what that is? Any of you that work at a desk sitting in a chair, you probably know what that is. Yes, it is lumbar support. And yes, it is adjustable, super easy. All you have to do is turn this. You can see it moving in and out right there. That's all you have to do to adjust it. Also, I didn't know if you noticed, as the sun's shining through this, this is like a mesh back, this and this and this, which makes it nice if you're sitting for long periods of time, which don't forget to get up even when you're sitting about once every hour. It makes it so this isn't going to be really hot. It's got a lot of airflow that goes through it, which is really nice. And then of course it does have the headrest as well. And the headrest is, you can bend it up, you can bend it down. So it is slightly adjustable, which is pretty cool. Memphis, I don't think you can sit in this chair. It's on wheels. I just realized the arms also can slide in and out a little bit, which is nice because if you're shorter, you can put them in more. If you're taller, you can put them out more, or however it is comfortable for you. Don't you think about jumping in this chair, ma'am. Don't even think about it. Another nice thing about the arms, they flip up. So if you don't want to use them, you can just flip them up and out of the way. Or if you're in like a cramped little space with your desk and you kind of need those out of the way to get in and out of your chair, that's another benefit. Now I know it's going to be a little bit hard to tell. I'm 5'1" and I have the chair all the way down. I'm going to turn the camera around in a second and show you guys the bend in my knees. But it is adjustable. I'll show you underneath that as well. But I'm 5'1" and this chair is ridiculously comfortable for me. Memphis is having a fit because she thinks there's pizza. Ma'am, there's not pizza. We're talking about a chair. There is pizza. It's making right now. Look at that smile. Anyway, so this is what I was talking about. So I have my legs right where they're supposed to go, and my feet are planted on the ground. I'm not like on my tippy toes or anything like that. So that's really nice. I do appreciate that. You're the best helper ever. You know that? So underneath here, there's a little lever, and that is what you use to raise and lower the chair. That's how high up it goes. You've also got the little spin adjuster there. You can do whatever else you need to do. Honestly, it's a great office chair. As soon as I get my office organized, that's where it's going. Memphis says it can't stay in the living room. No, it cannot stay in the living room. As soon as I get my office organized, it's going to go in there. I wanted to show it to you guys in front of the desk, but it's adjustable, should fit just about any desk. Definitely recommend this.